Hey everyone, welcome back to our Really Tech Tools today. We're diving into the world of home entertainment with the LQWELL Mini Projector. If you're tired of squinting at your small laptop screen or want to level up your movie nights, this little gadget might just be your new best friend. First off, let's talk about size. The LQWELL Mini Projector is small enough to fit in your bag, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Whether you're camping, visiting friends, or just chilling in your backyard, this projector is ready to roll. Now here's the cool part. It supports Wi-Fi 6 that's lightning-fast internet connectivity and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing with your devices. No more messy cables or complicated setups. Ever struggled with getting the perfect angle for your projector? Say hello to the LQWELL's automatic keystone correction. It adjusts the image to be square and distortion-free, even if you're not setting it up dead center. Want to project on the ceiling? No problem. This projector's 180-degree angle capability lets you get creative. Movie night in bed? Check. Impromptu gaming session on the ceiling? Double check. Last but not least, feast your eyes on that massive 130-inch display. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or hosting a backyard movie night, this projector delivers crisp visuals and immersive experiences. And there you have it, folks, the LQWELL Mini Projector. Your ticket to bigger, better entertainment. If you're ready to upgrade your movie nights, check out the link in the description for the best price and free delivery. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy projecting. Remember, keep it engaging, smile, and have fun.